Winia Godi University Mega Elahi Auditorium Mania Mr. Saraigat Khanna Mizoram Bin PBFM official player te fetch wahi Miss Apu India physics ani Mapi kada ata yeri Samsung wala kuma Samsung wala hi official مستوى dia ela yeri player makat ani bisa Mizoram patina kaya mana pula yerin he tetea Mr. Mizoram dan player tu ten ya the joinin ela yerin dan coach dan head coach Sarjona team Mizoram SBR dan sponsor arang boka tuna yerin sartete yerin atrong kalau kan tinggal lu main manager Sarjona le vang boka Mizoram house nama buat saya me katuna hianin Mr. Saraigat kubuta gonin Premchand thalak pon lotara la hianin banner sang lai tar zo lo dewa ka thleng ma hi thlen tlai ai chona thashim shima chuan jonin he kanin ring chho tan via wani châu toàn phúc bài ôi bên nhà BPFM Goti Mr. Saraigat akan kala tuna hianin katunga hianin Jonah kan coach le sarsang zola kan coach tho le kan manager team manager sargam mona ani voi vut kop mai vai chu kan player kan thil thei hilte hi kan microphone thei hilte alam kola and here we are with our special player from Guwahati. He is the Northeast champion and silver medalist
in world champion.
World champion. Yeah.
In Northeast, but no, in Asia I won bronze.
Can you kindly introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi, myself Rahul Sheikh. I belong to Guwahati and I'm also an athlete of Indian Bodybuilders Federation.
Nice.
I competed under IBBF since 2015 and I have also win many medals in the national and both international, and the latest was recently last year 2024 I won bronze medal for my country at the 56th Asian Championship which was held in Indonesia, Batam city. So I welcome you everyone from Sikkim and all the other northeastern sister state, Mizoram state, everyone, the lovely respected judges and coaches, everyone welcome, and all the athletes, and best wishes for today's the prestigious Mr. Saraigat Classic Indian Bodybuilding Championship.
Thank you. So actually we are very fortunate that Mr. Rahul is guiding us for the we are planning to go to the mall and he is giving us a ride. He has already given us the first trip of the ride. Mr. Tete and Miss Apu and all, they have all gone to the Square Mall, right?
Square Mall.
Yeah, Square Mall.
Yeah. And we have the competition will be starting around 5 o'clock, so we have much time for that. Yes. So till then you can roam around and you can visit the nearby mall.
We are very happy and very fortunate to for Mr. Rahul to guide us for all these things. We are so thankful to him. Yeah. And hopefully Ma'am Hira Shetty and Mr. Chitan Pathare and Mr. Premchand, all those big names in IBBF will be attending today, and I think probably they might be landing in Guwahati airport right now. So this is what is happening right now, and back in Mizoram I think you're all concerned about our well-being, and we are all taken care by Mr. Rahul. Thanks to Rahul ji.
Hey, tu la hian samai ka te honen. Ei tur lamin kanan chola chuan he ta sa zual te sa John te
Sarudo ta.
Jeremy te no mi sa bu te le tening ko shom boka chuan enga soidu te nem samai ka president hian
Oh ya lo mom kop mai wen ya go tia ei BBFM team zormai win kal chuaka kan venu lampang han reporting time anti ne kan time in class zone ka time delay de ko ma Mumbai tanga an official te kan on kheng sai de ka boka so chonin kan kal marsheta shopping mall ati hianin acid noya tema englo theina tura kan tia kan an a chol pa til window shopping te po kan ne chen khat phechon hey kan cameraman pusong mona phechon in nghe kha tim pui fetin na kiu tu kha sek tu kha na lo le a atiang vel kha ne e kabula zoram top player pani an thua wen ni hi anuam kan ti khop me a te hian nge Mr. Saraigat kal chung changa experience kal lampanga te po kan base ai re kan thanga kal ko han atiang vel te po kha experience hi anzor bere re te ang te a
yeah ko nga thui ang renga ni khat le da kar nga kan kala da ga som ni pasari a shom ve tho ma se shoi tu den fela ti ve thai zel me ya min duat boka sa basin night basin kan kala sa kan basalian che tel ko kan ling lawa da ka khat le chen ve te kan zam ma kan zam zong zong bel khom bai da kar li don ani ang chu vai kha so nei kan thing ta sha ma ati ve thai zele koi tu den fela
oh Jeremy anzor veleng ani hi phaya bodybuilding mingin voi khadizin chuana ani em ka
oh ni
ro experience den zor vere rela ai competition nge ai buat sai thatem ti velte
kun trom jo in buat sai na hun kan nei mu mal lawa kar mi thawor wa kanin buat cha man lo kal lampangin motor kan chuang railu do ka taksa vela sil na khop maya amun jo anuwa mani mai chonin apuroma hupurom boka filter vekania apurom te thau mai
oh alo me ne hi lama henin kan coach te pani an thua pu sang zola le pu la ni chielo tangwal udo tan ti be tangwal jona anoma again experience te le kan player te a base nan nei dan te le nge as in experience sim hi an ton china an pani hianin zot tang oh my khan pick up se game sa khel laklo khop me udo ta hian
ya alo moma ne china te kan player ina asoyang deu khania kalai na han dar karli kan tanga are du wang khop maya ale pe ka chonin bairo ta kan jin le do ni pon night ba sa chong kan chuang to lawang je thu to pani
sa sang zo la han zot vere re tang ko bo ale
hay anh nuông video kan kaldan chu khan ron soi to ta kan players te kan top players te ai kan an suayan discipline po acha an thu te pon oya hau ngai le ti ngai hai hot takan ni lem lon mani hi an fela kan soyang ai nan oma a soi tu te po ina kan an tiang chi neu an nei lo a koi aril ro koi ang chi pe khan nei lo hi azin to te lampang te han ngai tu chuanin tun hi chu players a po tu saman ni an fel khop mai mani bi ka chuan chu kan soi thei ni te se rina
oh nachina khanin kalo setel lawa BBFM players tele officials te hi MSSC halak nain aneng chu permission kan vadila go ti Mizoram House GS Rota khan kan thleng me ka tuna hianin official mingin kan thlenga chu room accommodation depo tai tak noya kan nei the along mong kan ti khop me ya kan MSSC lama kan throi tu te malak na wangin atiang te po kan thleng the along mong kan ti khop me ya chuan hei kan hnung lama hianin Miss Apui te noma ani hi Kerala te po lo champion zak to ania lo champion tilama panina lo ni to ania Miss Apui kha enge ngai dan te han soi ve se tuna kan zina a experience atanga aril ro om te hei bani deuh khanin Miss bani deuh nge ka thalo her kim hi aron kima anal kop mea win an competition face tour le an kalkong experience te nge aril ro han soi ve te se a
hemi hi chu mo hi chu aron so ye chu eka kim chan hi chu ka hairstyle hi lo gets been ka te hemi hi hui chou tur ania he wang khanin a he nan hairstyle he nan hi chu kada ri me ne ka khum don lawa hu na chon a phuram to ko me ka she lo le he kong la ka hianin dai tle min mu mal lo deu le ka lo in hisap ang cha chang kan om thei lo me thia ha chu sai thei to lo tu na chuan wa se a phuram vai kat experience na tur na sarai ga ke kan vai khatel na tur na a shat me ang a hun lo theng se bye
lo mom khop me tuna kan team manager kan lo kom ve lenga he kan bula hianin sar so mola wen hianin aran chef nal khop me alupo tliang le hlar to me sar notice a hanin inaute han troi to ni kum lampang khan 2024-25 kami financial year tho khanin tun financial year chung hinita BBFM team coaching han kala tro khata chuan
kale
chuan chu e 2025 fania March thania tuna hianin financial year kan close lova sarai gata han roi le team manager ni kala tuna hianin enge base na te nem tin tun sarai gata kan kaldan tepo enge e experience atang tepo ni riru han soi vere te a
nia ichina kama den sweng khan kalampang kha kong chalo wangin Sonapur chawa reife mai ganan tanga zakara ngam masat kan tanga kan ter ta bon chaw kopa anin so tha nasakop be kong sira wangin an plate ta bon kong ai thagom khop maya adam taka theng tur ka chaw ta bin kanan theng pa eng po chuni se I kan machop hi alian khop maya chuti kara chuan kan player te po discipline an ni tha tin an impact na aro bui ka ti a tin baka ama sikim te kan ngai to chuan sikim te thur kan kala ulsam dewin ikhan til afel zong zong amaro chu heta chuan kan kal lampang atangin har satna kan tok thane newa amara chu har satna lian tham ni lo ma se tong takin kan cheng tha thea ina baka kan player te kan roi tu te kan he kan president te oin kan ang kalbok nen til afel fain anwam khop maya chet po no ma til po sang khaya til kan ti zum zum te hi alomum ka tia tun trum ke experience sarai ga thi anuam in I atha ka ti khop mai ki chun zom tlak zel sini ka ria alome
alomum khop mai kha kan team manager nen tengin thukam ni khat kan ngai tha tun experience anuam ka ti khop mai ke ma pon BBFM angin kumina hianin state interstate tournament hi financial year danga hianin voi ni te tambera kan local thina tun tum hi avoi ni kan kalna ne tun financial year hianin kale lok hianin hey Sir John and hianin Chhattisgarh lama junior Mr. T divyang Mr. Tivel khanin kalle kan tuma kan kal theini chuanin BBFM tan hianin history pakhat tling dona tun financial year voi thum kan jin chuan tur ani thei dona chu kan kal thei ngei po be seila pathian khongai na chara kan kal thei ngei tur po kan be se ni ti chuanin alomom kan tia lom tu soi tur tam tak oma kan player te po thatakin va perform thei se stage sangber pol India rama chon he tournament hi nia India rama player tha hon on kal khom dona he platform a hianin kan player tha te po rotlin na an nei thei lualin an lo nei thei lo ni pon ke ni chuanin full support kan pe ni ti kha media kal tlang hianin kan soi du boka tin tournament Saraigat tournament a hianin experience sam ta kan nei dona chu kan thlele mema BBFM hianin chu kan soi lang tel bokani kina videos dang te po kan la ron da zel dona na chin lok khanin kan rabula asam mi ani ta ma kha Mr. Nortis tun khana champion bok ta chumi chuanin a motorin private motorin shopping mall ate ba hang out tur khanin min suai pheya ama testimony te po soya he tarui low boy ve thina ni chu ta tanga bodybuilding ina ama chan chuana nei thu le gym te po tuna aran chawa ti khanin a success story te po soya ngai dom khup me kan lom puye mema kan chunga lo tha a chunga po lom tu sei kan ban le ni ti kha tuna kharnan kan zeptel le zeu ni chu nikina vlog dang te po kan chun jom zelang
Music stop pleasure, please. Okay, one step behind, please, all the girls. Okay, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हमारे सारे खिलाड़ियों के लिए. Thank you very much. Okay. Adi. Okay. Okay. Facing judges, legs together. Yes. First quadrant towards your right. Once again, quadrant towards your right. Once again, quadrant towards your right. And final quadrant towards your right. Okay, please go behind and stand according to your turn numbers.
what I told you.
Thank you. Congratulations, Ms. Sivani.
Fifth place.
The fifth place goes to track number 107, Ilan Yajik of Arunachal Pradesh.
See. The fourth place.
Fifth group of educational, Sonapur Assam, Panchalika Arul Bura Paitama Madal Mosirasa, Academic Mai President of Malaysia.
Because our match is very little bit much
Ms. Ilan, you come on this
than those guys, huh?
Guess what?
But she has a good future.
Guess what? 15.
Thank you. Congratulations once again. Ms. Yazik. And the third place goes to trunk number 124. Istabeni Negil from Nagaland.
See what I told you, no? That
Yeah,
girl,
man.
that girl who is having that one will be the
Please
final.
come to the center. Please center.
20,000.
जोरदार तालियां हमारे सारे खिलाड़ियों के लिए थैंक यू थैंक यू मिस
The first place goes to that.
Congratulations and the second place goes to run number 185 Rita Nag of Tripura.
I thought my judging is correct. It's still the same.
ट्रॉफी सेलेक्ट करिए ट्रॉफी
30,000.
Thank you, Mr. Babajyoti Goswami, for giving so much of cash awards. And your entire team of Assam Bodybuilding and Fitness Association. And the winner, Miss Saraigat 2025. The model visit goes to truck number 125, Barnali Basumati of Assam.
Congress, ma'am, Congress.
Thank you, all the judges.
Double bicep together, flex.
Come on, Jeremy!
Relax. Pose number 3, side chest. Relax. Pose number 4, back double bicep with one cup. Okay, flex together. Give them a round of applause. जोरदार तालियों से इनको बधाई देंगे. Thank you very much. And relax. Pose number 7. Abdomen with thigh muscles. Flex together. Relax. Please go behind and stand according to your trunk numbers.
মোবাইলটো ডাউন কৰাচোন দেখা নাপায়তো
Remaining athletes 1, 3, 2. Side chest. Together. Okay. Next pose, back double bicep with one calf raise. Flex. Okay. Relax. And pose number 7, abdomen with your thigh muscles. Flex. Okay, thank you. Okay. One step behind, 101 behind, 167 little behind. Photo picture, 167. Okay. Seven compulsory poses. Take your own time, slowly, together. Pose number 1. No, on top 10. 1 to 10 ranking. Judges 1 to 10 ranking. Front double biceps. Together. Flex. Relax. Run number 167, one step, okay? Okay. Okay, one more time. Pose number 1, front double biceps, together. Don't cover each other, okay? Relax. Pose number 2, front leg straight. Front leg straight. Front leg straight. Relax. Pose number 3, side chest.
ঠিক আছে দাঁড়ো ধরে রাখ
Relax. Next pose, back double biceps with one calf raise. Flex. Relax. Next pose, back leg straight. With one calf raise. Relax. Side triceps. Relax. And pose number 7, abdomen with thigh muscles. Relax. Interchange the positions.
এইটো আমাৰ গিফ্ট হেম্পাৰ দিছে নিউট্ৰিশ্যন ৱৰ্ল্ড তেওঁলোকে দান কৰাইছে পিনাট বাটাৰ এণ্ড কিবা কিবি আছোঁ আৰু এইটো বেগ দিছে ভৰালী কমাৰ্চিয়েল
The 6th place goes to truck number 137, Durlov Burgoyne. The President of the Indian Bodybuilders Federation, Shri Swami Ramesh Kumar Ji, honoring the 6th place. Thank you very much. The 5th place goes to, thank you. The 5th place goes to truck number 108, Kushal Kalita. Congratulations and thank you. Thank you. The 4th place goes to truck number 109, Rubel Haq. Thank you. The 3rd place goes to truck number 134, Brigo Jyoti Saikia. Thank you. The 2nd place, the runner-up of Mr. Hassan 2025, any guesses? Truck number 150, Prakash Pradhan.
cái rừng lâu rộng mẹ
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Prakash. Congratulations. And the overall champion, Mr. Assam 2025, goes to none other than trunk number 113, Runku Das. Congratulations, Mr. Runku Das.